Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our drawing channel, Blue Hand Drawing. Thanks for staying with us. If you guys like the video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Today we're going to draw the fruit, dragon fruit. Let's start the drawing from the top. As you know, the dragon fruit, it's very popular and very famous. People like it. This fruit is also very tasty. For this drawing, we need to draw few curved lines, and the outside or the surface there are some spiky stuffs, but these are not so hard, soft spiky surface on the outside, and we can draw the surface like this. It's becoming dragon fruit as you see here. All right, some spiky stuffs we can show here like this upward direction. This is the complete outline of the fruit. We can draw the segment of a particular part by drawing like this. So these are the outlines you can see here. It has a soft outline or soft outward shell. Under this shell, the fruits look like this. Some parts are dotted like this. It's very delicious to eat. These are the spiky stuffs as you see from the segment. Now we can put the shades for elaboration. You can see the shades here like this. Do the shades like this. As you know, I am working outdoor environment right now. So outdoor environment, the shades of lights and sun, it changes, you know. That's why in some points you can see the sunshine falling on my drawing. At some points there are some shades here. I'll show you the outside at the end of my drawing. So the spiky stuffs are getting visible. The drawing are getting visible too in a nice way. These are the little detailings as we need for this nice drawing. You can see the spicy stuffs here. The small shades are on the top and shades becoming broader or the taller in the end. Okay. As you know, we can do the more details if we put a good time over it. All right. The spiky stuffs you see here looks like this. So the elaboration almost done. Okay, few shades for this drawing too. Here it's very windy here, you can see it from the sound. All right, so the drawing is in progress. The emphasis as you put on the detailings is always appreciable. You can do the drawing nice as long as you have your time. All right, let's put few shades here. These are the for each part of the spikes we see the details of shades. Now it looks good. Usually the color we put in, it's like the multicolor, but we prefer the purple. All right, and the violet. So let's put the violet to the outward surface. To the border we can put this color. All right, the work is in progress as you can see from the drawing. So after completion of the outlines, when you put the colors here, the things become more lively and nice. So the spikes, soft spikes actually, of the dragon fruit, these are having details colors. All right, few outlines here too for this drawing. Let's do it alongside the border and to the spikes. All right, now we can go for another color and put a different variation on the shades. Pink color is a good selection. It makes the drawing looks nice. So the detailing is going on. At the same time, we're showing the fruits. How does it look from outside and how does it look if we cut a segment? You can put few dots here like this First few shades here in the collar. Like this. Few shades here like this. Then we can put few dots to the whole body. Do like this. More to the spike at the base of the spikes. So the drawing is almost done. Alright, so this is the drawing of the dragon fruit. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching the video and stay with us. This is our channel Blue Hand Drawing. If you guys like, please subscribe and put the bell icon on for more updates in future. Stay well, stay fine, stay nice. Have a good day and do the practice in your home. If you do more practice, the drawing will be more nice. Thanks for watching.